7 by the Beeton boys. We're flagging. Stop, guys. We're gonna stop her. Whoa, we're done. Go your jets there, guys. 3, 2, 1. Have at it again, boys and girls. There, they got more strength after a little bit of a break there. Oh, good hit by 444. Oh, impossible. Number 7 got a bad front leg on the left side. He's still going though. Oh, good hit by 420. There we go, get them apart. Impossible number 7 into a little bit of trouble there. He might be done. Oh, good hit by 420 into 63. 420 suffered a bit of damage on his nose there. Oh, oh. Oh, another good hit. Getting him into the corner right there. 63's coming in for a little bit of a tap there. Oh, here we go. Bang! All 4 of them. Car number 63 is out of alignment already. Trouble there. We could be down fans to 3 cars in this 5-car heat. We're shoving 444 into the corner. Got lots of power, manhandling 63 and 444 just came in to try and finish him off right there. They got him right where they want him, fans. 440. Oh, he's got out. Look at that. He said, I'm not staying here very long. He's got a little bit of a hop to him. 2 flat tires on the front, but still going strong. 911 goes. 63's got lots of heart, no doubt about it, but 911's trying to line him up here. And he got him, shoved him right into the corner, trying to finish him off. And 444 is going to do the same thing. They got him in there. Do you think he can get out fast? He's trying real hard. Look at that. He just snuck out of there. He said, I'm not done yet. He gets the award for the most heart here. No doubt about it. He's got 2 bad front wheels, but he's still going. Okay, we're done, ladies and gentlemen. We got our red flag out here now. 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys and girls. Let's go.
Go, buddy, go!
Little hello. Now let's have at it. There's no friends anymore. Dang, first good hit of the heat. They're not holding back, man. some beating and banging going on here yet. Nice hit by 9 into 16. Hit by 420 into 80. Oh, they're going to crunch 12 and a half and 9. He's beating and banging, not giving up. He's still got all 4 wheels going here, ladies and gentlemen. Car number 16 into 12 and a half. Nice hit by 9 into 80. And 16's trying to finish 12 and a half off here on the west side. He's not done yet. He's trying to find some gears here. Sounded good. Oh, a nice hit by 9. He's not giving up. Car number 80's grading the pit here. The bumper's dragging the ground. We could be down to 3 cars here, ladies and gentlemen, by the looks of it. And there goes a rat hose. Or rat. Oh, there's a good hit by 16 into 12 and a half. Car number 80's lining up 16 here. There we go, that rat's toast. There we go, 16's going right into 9. Car number 80's hoping he loses his back bumper here so he can get a little bit more traction. There we go, nice hit by 16 into 9, and 80 got him too. Oh, they're picking on car number 9. They're really beating and banging on them here.
Perfect! Get him! Get her!
We're not done yet. We've got 3 cars in the mix here, ladies and gentlemen. Car number 9, car number 16, and car number 80. Hard to believe car number 80's still going. Trying to shove 9 into the corner here, but car number 80's coming in. Car number 80 trying to find a gear that's still left in that transmission. And there he goes, right into number 9. He's good going forwards, just not going backwards with that bumper dragging. He's got 9 and 16 into the northeast corner here.
On, Madison.
Looks like we're down to 2, ladies and gentlemen. Car number 9 and car number 80. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We've got him. First place is going to car number 9.